Hello friend, thank you for watching my video. This is Vivian from Supkicks. Today I got two qualities of Jordan 1 Travis Scott Women's Canary, and I want to make a comparison review. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up under my channel if you like my video. Okay, now let me show the differences between these two pairs. On left pair, this is our high UA retail quality, and on the right pair, this is trip quality. Different box label. As we can see, both boxes are the same. They are both with yellow and blue Nike swoosh logo. But when I check the stickers on the box, I found they are different. Let's check our high UA retail quality first. We got the barcode and the shoes information. Canary, red, blue, brown. The colorway on the sticker here, this is correct, same as retail ones. The shoe size information and the QR code. Check the triple ones. We can also got the barcode, the shoes information here, but the colorway on the sticker, this is incorrect. This is with Canary, razor blue light silver. This is incorrect information. Different gray leather and yellow suede material. Our high UA retail quality comes with gray premium leather. This is made with tumble leather. It's very soft, same material as retail ones. You can see all the gray part here is made with tumble leather. Very soft and comfortable leather. Also check the blue Nike swoosh here. The swoosh is also made with tumble leather. It is real leather. And check the quality of yellow suede material. You can find the color changed when I touch it. This is made with premium suede material. Very soft and good quality. The panel around with yellow suede are perfect. You can see the color changed. Check the trip quality. The trip quality comes with very cheap gray leather on the shoe toe. You can see it is like paper. Very cheap material. This is not made with leather. We can also check the blue Nike swoosh here. It is also with tumble pattern, but not with real leather on the Nike swoosh. Check the lateral. For the yellow suede panel, we got very soft and thin cheap suede material around. Turn back. The color can't change when I touch it. Different cactus logo on both pairs. Our high UA retail quality comes with exact same logo as retail ones. The stitching passed through the middle of letter C. Can see? This is the correct position. Also, under the next swoosh, we got the J here. It is correct, same as real ones. For the triple ones, we can also find the cactus logo here, but the position is totally wrong. The stitching passed through the under of letter C. This is incorrect, wrong position. And under the next swoosh here, we got the J is below, and the red ink here. This is totally wrong, not correct. Wrong position of cactus logo. We can compare both logos. Different shoe tone. Our high UA retail quality comes with very thick and good quality nylon material on the shoe tone. Hear the sound. Also, on the top of trim, it is in light yellow colorway. Check the black tab on the shoe tone. You can find the Total Air logo. This is correct, same as retail ones. Turn to the trip quality. We got very thin and cheap nylon material on the shoe tone. Hear the sound. And on the top of trim, the yellow part here, it is too dark. This is in dark yellow. Totally wrong, incorrect color. And check the black tab here. You can find the Air logo here. It is not clearly on the tab. This is incorrect details. We can compare both pairs, and it is obviously. Check the Air logo, the position, they are not same. And the trim colorway on the top. Our is in light yellow, and the trip ones comes with dark yellow. They are not same. Different gray panel on the midsole. Our high UA retail quality comes with bigger panel here on the midsole. You can see. This is correct. And check the triple ones. We got smaller and narrow gray panel here. It is totally incorrect. Compare both pairs. They are different. The left pair is our high UA retail quality, and the right pair is trip quality. Different wing logo on the heel. Check our high UA retail quality. We got very beautiful wing logo. The panel and the stitching details here, it is perfect. Same as retail ones. For the trip quality, you can see the details here is not perfect. The yellow part here, it is too big. And the details is rough, not perfect. Different, also rubber. This is our high UA retail quality. You can see the rubber here, it is very soft. It is durability and check the panel on the rubber. The details and the panel, the pattern, it is exact same as real ones. Now let me show the triple ones for you. This is also with rubber and it is soft as well. But you can check the panel and the pattern here. The details is not correct. It is like big. It is like big details here. Compare with our highway retail quality. You can find they are different. Our is small details here, and the chip ones is with big. This is with incorrect pattern. They are different. Different insole. Our high UA retail quality comes with original insole. Check the quality. Very smooth material here, and the insole is soft with grey blue foam on the back. This is correct. And compare with the triple ones. We can compare the material on both pairs. The triple ones comes with trip insole, and the insole is thicker than our high UA retail quality. It also comes with long blue material on the back. They are different. Okay, this is the end of my review today. If you want to check more details, please click the link to my Yupu link and you can check more details. Any question, just connect my WhatsApp for more information. Thank you for watching my video today. See you next time.